A finished report contains a lot of information across 12 tabs. Use a consistent reading order. First, verify the location and chart context. Then inspect scope and vessel safety. Find the worst period in the timeline, compare the source synthesis, and finish with alternatives and official notices. On the Chart tab, confirm the analysis point, depth context, and swing circle scale. The shelter ring shows terrain exposure by direction. Green sectors have nearby land, while red sectors indicate open fetch. This is terrain context, not proof that a sector is safe from swell. Tide and current table markers provide live context when available. Pop-up values are fetched when you open them, so their now value may be newer than the analysis itself. The recommended scope covers the worst conditions found across the forecast window and includes a margin above the calculated minimum. Check the effective depth, the chain and wire split, and whether the recommendation fits the road actually aboard. The catenary diagram shows how the road changes under increasing loads. As load rises, less road remains on the seabed. A dashed, bar-taut case means the road has straightened and can apply upward force at the anchor. A strong reason to reconsider scope, road, or location. Vessel safety brings together motion periods, resonance, forecast confidence, and terrain-related concerns. Treat estimated motion values as estimates, and pay particular attention to direct or near resonance. The Vessel tab shows exactly what the analysis used. Your vessel's dimensions the anchor system has entered, the road and site depth breakdown, and when relevant, a note on wave surge loading. If a number here looks wrong, it's a vessel profile fix, not a forecast question. The Weather tab shows active marine and high seas warnings, any data quality issues for this run, and the official authority forecast text for cross-reference. The timeline shows when risk changes, one card per forecast horizon. Look beyond the average conditions. Inspect gusts, total and wind-driven waves, period, pressure, tide, steepness, and breaking wave warnings. Open the worst card and note its time. The scope calculation uses the highest predicted water level across the complete window, not just the tide at that card. The Synthesis tab shows where the result came from and where confidence is limited, which sources were accepted or rejected, model agreement, and differences from the official authority forecast. A polished result is not the same thing as high-confidence data. Alternatives provides possible bolt holes to investigate, not pre-approved destinations. Verify each one independently. The Log tab is the analysis's own reasoning trace, useful when a result looks surprising and you want to see how the agents got there, not something you need to check on every run. Read the important notices before relying on anything else in the report. Your skipper responsibility reminder, the limitation of liability statement, and the analysis disclaimer. Sailing directions links to official pilot material near the selected location, not shown for kayak profiles. NAVTEX and High Seas mirrors official Materia bulletins and expands common abbreviations for readability. Use the verbatim view when exact wording matters, and remember that an in-app mirror is not a substitute for official onboard GMDSS reception. A good report supports judgment, it does not replace it.